Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Pabbly email action automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on install, click on allow and install. Once your app has successful, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup. We noticed that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. Firstly, you're going to head over to your account online. Under Pabbly Email Marketing, you're going to click on Access Now. If you don't have a business address yet, it will prompt you to create one. So we are going to enter our company name, and here we're going to enter our address and click on Take Me to My Account. Once you're here, you're going to click on Integrations. Click on Developer API, and there we go. You're going to copy your token and head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup and paste your token. Click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected. We equally have the support center. At the Launchpad support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the log of change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. You're all set. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.